Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to complete the physics syllabus in just 30 days. Your boards are very near, इसलिए आपको बहुत जल्दी प्रिपेयर करने के लिए कुछ ट्रिक्स हम बता रहे हैं जिसको आप फॉलो करेंगे तो बहुत जल्दी फिजिक्स का सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. So in physics paper you have mainly 4 types of questions. One is your derivations, then your direct theory questions, then numericals and conceptuals. So for direct theory questions, you know that you have to directly learn the language of the theory questions and as per that you can answer that. For derivations, I'll give you some important tips. For numericals, you have 2 types of numericals. One is directory formula based and the other is interrelated formula based, right? Then we have conceptual. So let's take the tips for the derivations first. So for learning the derivations, you have to first make a chapter-wise list of all the derivations. So if you have that list ready for all the derivations, then once you are ready with one derivation, you can tick mark that, and this way you will be able to keep a track of how many derivations you have learned. So आपको अगर वो list ready होगी derivations की, आप उसको track कर पाएंगे कि आपने कितने derivations याद किए हैं. So first thing is chapter wise list of derivations, right? और इनको याद करने के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि आपको जो डायग्राम है उस डेरिवेशन से रिलेटेड वो अच्छे से याद होना चाहिए. सो नेक्स्ट थिंग इज डायग्राम फॉर every derivation to be learned properly with labeling. अगर आपको लेबलिंग के साथ याद है तो कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. देन अगला स्टेप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको डेरिवेशंस लिख लिख कर याद करने चाहिए. हर डेरिवेशन के अंदर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स होते हैं, वो स्टेप्स आप फॉलो करेंगे तभी आप डेरिवेशन के एंड तक पहुंच पाएंगे. लेकिन वो स्टेप्स लर्न होने के लिए आपको लिख कर डेरिवेशंस को देखना चाहिए. सो हियर यू हैव टू डू अ रिटन प्रैक्टिस. ओके, शुरू में ऐसा लगेगा आपको कि रिटन प्रैक्टिस से आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. जब आप हर बार एक बार डेरिवेशन आपने लिखा, आपको उसको चेक करना है आपके एक्चुअल नोट से, नोट्स के साथ में कंपेयर करने के बाद आपको देखना है कि आप कौन से स्टेप में गलती कर रहे हैं. आप उस गलती वाले स्टेप पर स्टार मार्क कीजिए, डेरिवेशन को वापस लर्न कीजिए और वापस लिख के देखिए. मेरा ये मानना है कि 3 बार आप लिख के देखेंगे तो आपको डेरिवेशंस बहुत अच्छे से याद हो जाएंगे. एंड इस तरह से अगर सेकंड टाइम भी आपकी गलती हो रही है, आप सेकंड टाइम उस डेरिवेशन के उस पर्टिकुलर स्टेप पर स्टार लगा दीजिए. तो अगली बार जब आप वापस उसको लर्न करेंगे तो आपको याद रहेगा कि इस स्टेप में आपकी गलती बार बार हो रही है, तो आप उसको ज्यादा अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे और हर नेक्स्ट टाइम आपकी गलतियों के चांसेस कम से कम होते जाएंगे और अल्टीमेटली खत्म हो जाएंगे. और इस तरह से जो डेरिवेशन आपको याद होंगे वो परमानेंटली याद रहेंगे. ठीक है, सो यहाँ यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द स्टार टेक्निक. I have already discussed what is this star technique. And ऐसा अगर हो कि आपको अगली बार में वो स्टेप याद रह रहा है जो पिछली बार याद नहीं था, तो आप उस स्टार को इरेज करेंगे. इसलिए स्टार लगाते समय आप पेंसिल से स्टार लगाइए. ओके, देन यू हैव थियोरी क्वेश्चंस. डायरेक्ट थियोरी क्वेश्चंस में वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग वेरी स्पेशल टू डिस्कस अबाउट, बट फॉर न्यूमेरिकल्स यू नो दैट वी हैव 2 टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स. वन इज इजी, अदर इज कॉम्प्लेक्स, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. बट for numericals, the very important thing is learning the formulas. So make a formula list. If that formula list is ready with you, then for direct questions, that is easy direct questions, you will be able to do it very easily. And once you are comfortable with the easy direct questions, then you will be able to apply the formulas to the complex questions also. Because complex questions are nothing but these are based on interrelated formulas. So if formulas are properly learned along with the meaning of every specific term, then complex questions will also become simple for you, right? So this way those who are struggling to get average marks, even for those students, first of all you focus on the easy direct questions. Don't look at the complex questions at first. Once you are comfortable with the direct concepts, direct theory questions, direct derivations, easy direct questions, then you can move on to the complex numericals. Okay, and you will get these questions from at least direct NCERT solved questions you have to do first. And then you can move on to unsolved also. Then you can take questions from previous year's questions, which you will get in the sample papers or any other book where you are having chapter wise questions which are asked in boards in the previous years. Then you can practice more of the conceptuals from the board papers. And the books. Now this is how to start preparing based on types of the questions which are being asked in the board. Now I am going to discuss the 30-day strategy, right? So now to prepare the chapters, first of all you have to start with chapter 1. The smaller chapters can be clubbed as per your convenience, and those chapters can also be clubbed as per your convenience in which you are already comfortable, right? So I am giving you a systematic chapter wise strategy. So here on day 1, so now I am going to give you the chapter wise strategy. You can use the sequence of the chapters as per your convenience. That means जो chapters आपको अभी आते हैं उनको आप बाद में ले सकते हैं, जिनको नहीं आते हैं उनको पहले ले सकते हैं, and the smaller chapters can be taken together. So this is as per your convenience, but here I am giving you at least one plan, basic plan, which you can follow as per your convenience, right? So here, first of all, you can take chapters electrostatics, that is chapter 1, and you can have a look at the videos of the chapter from whatever source you are comfortable with. I'll also place the playlist of this chapter of my videos. If you want to watch, you can watch from there. So while watching the videos for chapter 1, you can make your notes from the videos. Or if you have class notes, that's wonderful enough. Then after, you can do the conceptuals, numericals and other types of questions of the first chapter on the day 2. So in these PYQs, all the 4 categories of the questions you will have to cover, and especially the points you are not comfortable with, जिन points में आपको difficult लगता है, उन points को तो specially आपको लिख करके देखना है, जिससे आपको अपनी preparation का exact idea हो. Then chapter 2, that is electrostatic potential and capacitance. This is on the day 3. Then PYQ of chapter 'The same pattern you'll have to follow till chapter 14. By the end of 16th day, you will be able to complete many chapters. You can club chapter 5 and chapter 8 here on day 9, because chapter 5 and chapter 8 are small. Then you can do the PYQs of chapter 5 and 8, PYQs of chapter 10. Similarly, you have to follow this pattern, but 11 and 12 chapter can be clubbed since these are not very long. From day 20, you will have to start the sample papers, one sample paper on every day, right? And not just doing the sample paper, you have to analyze the sample paper, the answers written by you for that particular sample paper, go through your mistakes, learn and relearn those concepts, then again start the next sample paper, right? And while doing the sample paper, you have to sit separately for 3 hours without any distractions, and then write it at a single stretch. So this cycle you have to follow. So once you are doing all these steps before solving the next sample paper, I am sure that you will be able to get more than 95 marks in case you are focusing on each and every weak topic and writing each and every wrong derivation. Those who are getting average marks will definitely improve their marks by following this strategy. So for the videos, I'll place the playlist link in my description box, so you can watch the videos in case you want to. Otherwise, whatever source you are following, follow that, but follow these steps to get good marks. So सभी के लिए important है ये, इन चीज़ों को follow कीजिए, you will definitely get very good marks. All the best for your board exam. Have a nice day.